Furniture supplier has been cheating on you. Stay tuned till the end of the video to learn 5 ways how they cheat on you and 3 facts that how cost cutting is done in our industry, how you've been cheated on the name of specifications, and how our industry uses a lot of makeup on its products. My name is Soumya Pathak and today I am going to illustrate 5 ways how you have been cheated. So this here is a product that we like to call Stallion. This is our product and this is a product that we have acquired from another brand. Now this product ranges in the market from rupees 800 to 1600. Now you need to understand why this happens. So if you would come a little closer, I would show you the first difference of how cost cutting is done and how people cheat you on the name of specification. So this is what we call a buffer or a shoe. Now first of all you can see the structure. You can see the weight in these shoes. This shoe costs about 30% more. I would say this costs about 16 rupees and this is about 75 rupees. So when you order 4,000 pieces, just look at the amount difference that there is. Second thing is when and if you put these shoes out into the sun, you would realize that both of these shoes, out of both of these shoes, this would have gotten a little lighter. It would have lost a lot of color. And second difference would be that this shoe would have become a little squishier because of being out there in the sun. That the same properties or the same symptoms would not happen with this buffer. The second difference is in the pipe. Now, when after constant follow-ups from your supplier, they send you a quotation, you see that it is written in the quotation that the supplier has used CRCA steel. Now if I would put this finger into the product and take it out, you can see a lot of rusting that is happening inside the pipe. So this pipe is getting corroded from the inside. Now if I would put this finger into the product and show you my other finger, you would see that there is a lot of difference. So this is how you've been cheated in the name of CRCA pipe. This is an HR pipe and this is a CRCA pipe. There is a cost difference about 30% out there. This pipe is made out of scrap that is sold to the scrap vendors and then that is sold back to the companies. This pipe comes from famous mills like Jindal and Tata and reputed other firms where they supply only proper CRCA steel. The third difference in both of these products is what we call powder coating. Now in a lot of specifications you will read that the quote says that they have used a 7-tank powder coating system. So let me illustrate the difference. If you would come closer and see the difference in both of the powder coating. This and this have a lot of difference. Now people confuse it that as if this powder coating has a matte finish and this one has a glossy finish. I'm very sorry to tell you, but that is not the case. This is a powder coating that is done through a 7-tank process, whereas this one is a very basic form of powder coating where you just spray onto the product and throw it into the oven. This is the third way how they cheat on you. This also has, if nothing, a 50% difference. It brings a 50% difference into the cost of the product. Now the fourth thing that you have to see on the product is the bend this product has and the bend that this product has. So there are 2 ways of bending, one is manual and one is through a CNC machine. This here is done through a manual process and this bend here is done through a CNC machine. These machines cost from 5 lakh rupees to anywhere around 40 lakh rupees. So you can see how these people cut costs to cheat on you. Now another problem that you are going to face with this product is that the powder coating on this product will last much longer because of the fact that it has gone through a 7-tank process, but also because of the fact that this has CRCA steel and this has HR steel. Now India is a country where there are 4 to 5 seasons if you think about it properly, whereas in a country like London there are only 2 seasons, winters and mild summers. Now what happens during summers and winters is that there is a lot of contraction and expansion in the metal. So this powder coating does not sustain that because HR steel has more of a tendency to expand and contract, whereas CRCA steel does not have the same problem. So here it is, folks. I have illustrated 5 ways how your supplier cheats on you and how cost cutting is done in our industry.